Once again, I'm here to show you you don't need a lot of money to get started day trading. Watch me turn $5 into over $220 in literally 3 minutes. All right, as you can see, you can check the date. It's April 24th, just showing you these aren't old trades. If you look at the top left, this is a live account. There's $5 in the account. So I'm getting a downtrend right here. The market just broke consolidation, and I just got a hammer candle. So it just proved that the market is going to start falling right here. And as you guys can see, the market is making a beautiful dip right here. I entered a 1 minute sell right here, a sell or a put, saying the market was going to go down. Just to show you how much time is left in this entry, there's 18 seconds left in this 1 minute sell. We're getting a little bit of a pullback right here. But as you guys can see, the market is going in the right direction. This is my first trade. Like I said, this is a 1 minute entry. After this trade closes, I'm going to enter a couple more. And as you guys can see, that thing is tanking. Just like that first trade of the day just hit. Now I have $102 in the account. Let's keep this thing rolling. I'm going to enter some small 5-second snipes. Next entry just opened. I'm saying the market is still going to continue to dip right here. And as you guys can see, next trade just hit up to $149 now. I've been day trading for about 5 years now, so my leverage is pretty high. I wouldn't recommend it for beginning traders to, try and flip an account as fast as I am. But I do, like I said, I do have plenty of experience. So I'm expecting the market to have some pullback right here. It's retracing. I'm big on candlestick activity, so understand how the candlesticks move, retrace, and start the format. We're up to $196 now. Excuse my text. I'm getting my hair retwisted in a couple hours. As you guys can see, that's my hair lady. I got dreads, so I'm gonna get, retwisted and braided, all that good stuff. But the market is jumping like Jordan right now, so I'm gonna expect a little bit of retrace once this pulls up a little bit higher. I'm hopping on a small little $30 sell. I broke even. If the entry closes even, I just get my profit back. So I'm going to test the market again with another test entry, which is a small $30 entry. I'm going to sell it again. Say the market's going to dip. If this closes above, I'm going to expect the market to continue to buy out because it has a lot of buy power. First loss of the day, as I'm transparent with the wins and losses. Like I said, only one loss on the day so far. This thing is going to continue to buy out. The trade closed even again, but I know the market's going to buy out, so I'm going to up the leverage a little bit to a $60 entry and let this thing jump like Jordan. There you go. As you can see, the market is deep in profit right now. It's going to close out up to $222, $5 and over, $222, just like that. Just to show you the date again, now I'm going to make a withdrawal, but you can schedule a free call with me in the link in my bio.